Welcome to our guide on how to add polls to your Facebook story using your Android device. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story located at the top of your feed to start creating your story. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video with your device's camera, or choose an existing photo or video from your camera roll to feature in your story. Step 4. Tap on the sticker icon, typically represented by a square smiley face positioned at the top right of the screen. Step 5. Search for the poll sticker among the sticker options and create a question along with multiple options for your poll. Step 6. Once you've set up your poll, place the poll sticker anywhere on your story by dragging it to your preferred location. Step 7. When you are happy with your poll and its placement, tap Share to publish it to your Facebook story for your friends to engage with. By following these steps, you can easily gather opinions and interact with your friends through polls in your Facebook story. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been informative in showing you how to add polls to your Facebook story on your Android device. Engage with your friends and followers by creating interactive polls in your stories and sparking meaningful conversations.